So here right in front of me are 4 huge yellow lift bags, and we call them the minions, and we will use those to speed up the system. So right now we have the parachute in front of the system, and the parachute is underwater, slowing the system down. These lift bags will be almost in the same place in front of the system, but then above water, and they will catch wind to speed the system up. One way or another the plastic is going to be caught. So with this system 001B we are now doing a lot of different things. Before we had Wilson, and Wilson could do only one thing, and that is go faster than the plastic, but it didn't do this really effectively, or not as constantly as we would have liked. And now we have this system, and today it's in the water in one orientation with the parachute, and as soon as we have deployed these things, the system will turn around 180 degrees and face the other way. So the whole capturing process is completely different. I think the slowing down concepts are the best concepts because they have the least amount of parts, and there's the least amount of things that can go wrong. We now have this slow down option in the water. It's equipped with a parachute, a drag anchor. It's behaving quite well over the past week. It's down in the water, it's stable, it doesn't entangle, it behaves perfectly.